the topic that you're going to be doing. Let us do the presentation first. Layers of the atmosphere. So here you're going to find all the templates about the layers of the atmosphere or any topic that you're teaching. So here it is. So here, colleagues, I'm going to choose any template. I'll choose this one. Let me choose this one, colleagues, and you can see all the pages that are here. You can be able to customize as well. So on this one, this has got 12 pages. You can choose the one based on the topic. So let us apply this one with 12 pages. So here you can be able to customize and rename. For example, it says the Science 6, you can change to grade 10. Because this is a grade 10 topic. You can also, on the teacher, you can change your username or your surname. Here it is, Mr. MD Sambo. There it is. So here, colleagues, you can move, and if you check, just got the lesson objectives, the lesson flow. You can also edit this one based on your lesson planning. You can also move these icons, these pictures. For example, I can move that one, put it there, just to customize the way I would like to be customized. And also there it is, the first layer. And also there, for example, I can edit, I'll change this one to say thank you for watching. So basically, colleagues, it gives you a ready-made template, and these templates are designed by teachers like you and I. And what you will have to do is just to add maybe the information that you might have got on your textbook or on the planning of the lesson. So, all right. So here, colleagues, let's move, and we can also be able to add, for example, let's add the picture of the atmosphere or particular graphic. There it is. So you can search. Let's check the video. I'm going to add a video about the layers of the atmosphere. Let's go and edit somewhere. Add a page. Let's choose any video. There it is. Choose that one. Then in your presentation, then you now will be having the video where the learners will be able to watch as well. Okay, so there is the video. Okay, so let's move, and I can also drag the video and put it in a particular slide where you want it to be put. Let's play and see. There it is. It's playing, showing the layer. That is a geography lesson. And play there. Alright. So when you want to share this one or you want to download, you go to share. So go to share, then you download. Then remember, you can choose as an MP4 to come as a video. Okay, I'll download that one. It's downloading. The whole presentation will display as a video, but I can also download the presentation to be a PowerPoint presentation. So we can go there and download the PowerPoint presentation. Yes, there could be some limited playback of some graphics there, but the video should play because it does play on PowerPoint presentation. So let us save that one, and you're also going to save the PowerPoint, presentation, and we are moving, and we are almost done with this one. We need to display. There it is. You're going to download. There they are. We've got the video as well as the PowerPoint presentation. So on this one, colleagues, when you enable editing, you are going to, there we are. Now we've got the whole lesson. Let us display or do the slideshow. There is lesson for our layers of the atmosphere. Even our video there can be able to play as well. Okay, so There is the one on the video. If you have saved as an MP4, there it is. It is playing automatically. You can pause, you can play and pause while you are teaching. Also, it is also good when you are sending the learners to their smartphones on WhatsApp, etc.